Hello, welcome back to Salesforce Dealer. In a previous video, we have seen about data deletion in MySQL. So in this lecture, we will talk about the updation in the table. So if you want to get more information about the updation, so you can also switch to our website. The website is www.salesforcedealer.com. After the opening this page, click on the Learn Python section, and after that, click on the Update table. In this lecture, we will also talk about the limit use of limit and of all use of the offset value also. So let's see about it. So now open ideally. So import mysql.connector. My my connection dot my connection equals to mysql dot connector dot connect. So host equals to local host, user equals to root, password equals to 1234, database equals to college. So my cursor equals to my connection dot cursor. So now we will see the execution code which is for the updation. Before we starting the updation, please open the MySQL. So now I will open the MySQL command line. 1234 password, use college, select star from students. So now I want to change my Rohan where the name is Rohit. So let's see how to change it. So now we will see on the program. So update student, set name equals to Rohit, where name equals to what is the name we have to change is Rohan. So change Rohan. Okay guys, now close it. So my con dot commit. Okay guys, print iCursor dot row count record updated. So let's see, run this program. So one record updated. Let's check in the MySQL section that it's changed or not. So select star from the students. So now you can see the name is Rohit and the previous name is a Rohan. Okay guys. So now I want to change Vishal address. It's in Nainital. I want to change with the Lucknow also. Okay. Now Nainital will be changed with the Lucknow. So update student set address Lucknow where address is Nan Nainital. Okay. So let's see run this program. So one record updated. So let's check it's update or not. Yes, you can see the Vishal address successfully changed. In the previous things, you can see the name is Nainital. Now in this thing, you can see it's a Lucknow. So it is the updation in the record. You can also update the record by using the serial number. Okay, guys. So it is the updation. Now we have talked about the limits. If you want to print only three value of first, second, third, so how I will be print. So let's see on the program. So remove this command. Now select. Wait a minute. Delete also these things. Now select star from students limit 5. It's a 3. Okay, guys. Limit is a 3. So let's run this program. Also, we have to use a loop for printing all the values. So for x in my cursor, so print x. Now you can see only 3 value has been print successfully. If you print the 4 value, so you can also see only 4 value has successful printed. So now if you are print these value, and if you want to escape Rohit and Aditi and you want to print only Himanshu, Vishal, Rajat and Rima, so how will you do it? Let's see on the program. It's printing a 3 value offset 2. Offset is a 2. What's the meaning of offset? Offset 2, it's mean it will initially initial 2 value will be we it will be escape and all the value will be print. It's mean that the first and second value will be not print, and 1 2 3 after the 3 value it will be print. It's mean Himanshu, Vishal, Rajat it will be print, and Rohit, Aditi it will not print. Let's see on the program. So now you can see Vishal, Himanshu, Vishal, Rajat has successfully print. So it is a use of the offset. So that's it for this session, guys. I hope you enjoy the MySQL, all the information about the MySQL and learning the lots of things from this video. So thanks for watching video. Thank you, guys.